Welcome back. We are now going to take a look at the implications of using QuickBooks Online along with Zapier. Of course, QuickBooks Online is a way of keeping track of your accounting for your business or organization. Because of the complexity of QuickBooks, there are a number of triggers, actions, and searches available in terms of creating automations. Zapier has a number of automations between QuickBooks Online and PayPal. As you can see, there are 5 in our view, as well as for QuickBooks Online and Stripe. And because it's used also as a tracking application, there are also integrations between apps like Salesforce, which provides information on customer management. And for individuals that have client-based business, there are integrations between sites like FreshBooks and QuickBooks, which allow you to provide custom invoices. And finally, there's also an interface between QuickBooks Online and Shopify. So if you're using QuickBooks as your accounting system, what you'll want to do is you'll want to test QuickBooks with other applications that you are using to interface customer and overall profitability. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.